Okay, so hello everyone. So this to my call again. Today is July the 31st. Okay, so it's the end of July, and today I am running at Dragon Jaw Peak, Ham Dong, đỉnh Ham Dong. Okay, so I'm accidentally meet Mr. Pao here, and yeah, and today I bring this outfit, and I will perform one of my favorite songs, and I'm sure you will like it too. So, this is a very special song, and today in the nature like this, I would like to wear this outfit, and I dance with my barefoot here. Okay, no shoes, no socks, and my message is: Mother Earth is the one that gives us energy. So please take care of our Mother Earth. And please, Michael Jackson, the king of pop. So if you are watching from the heaven, with this my performance, with this my strength, my power, my spirit, and I devote my life to you. Please guide me to maintain your legacy. And I would like to spread the message of love, joy, and peace to all over the world. This trip to Sapa has made me think a lot about my legacy in the next 10 years. So okay, so and my dear forever to good friend Yvette Success, I really appreciate and grateful to you that always comment on my videos on my YouTube channel, watch all of my videos, although it's short or long. Okay, Yvette Success, I love you. I'm grateful, and I'm truly, deeply grateful to you. Okay, so this is the Earth song. Okay, so I will appear from that peak here, and Mr. Pao will kindly um, take the video from me. Thank you, Mr. Pao. Okay, so I will play this song here. Okay, let's go.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping sun? What have we done to the world? Look what we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields? Is there a time? What about all the dreams that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from